Hey everybody, it's Leece over at Wisconsin Vein Center and Medi Spa. Today we're going to be doing one of our treatments that I think doesn't get a lot of recognition and that a lot of patients love, and so do staff members. They love this treatment. It's called the Hollywood Laser Peel. So what this treatment does, it's going to deeply exfoliate a lot of the dead skin off your face. You're going to see a lot of improvement in your texture and tone. It gives you a lot of radiance too, so if you have a big event coming up, definitely come on down for one of these. Your skin will look top notch for any event you're going to. Makeup goes on beautifully too afterwards. So, all right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna heat up the mask, and that is going to kind of paste all the dead skin cells onto the carbon. So the mask that's on her skin is just a simple carbon mask. It doesn't tingle or anything. It's just a lotion that sits on the skin. So again, we're gonna warm it up, and then we're gonna pop it off. And after we pop off the mask, a lot of that dead skin is going to come off, and you'll see the glow and the difference in her skin. And don't mind our Oopa Loopa glasses. Ready? Here we go. How's that feel? Good. So it's definitely not too hot. It's just a warming sensation, and we just kind of go around and just warm up this carbon so that when we take off the carbon mask, we'll get mask exfoliation. So as I'm removing the mask, you'll see just the peak in her radiance. You'll see the change in the texture. A lot of people say that they feel different. Their skin feels a lot smoother. And makeup goes on beautifully, so this is definitely a good one before any event. And you can do this on your neck and your décolletage, like décolleté. So now we're gonna remove the mask. So I'm gonna use this little vacuum to suck up all the carbon so that we don't breathe that in. But you're gonna hear a really loud popping noise, and that pop doesn't hurt, it's just loud. So we'll get started. Here we go. So we just finished her treatment. Now we're just putting some of our products on. So I'm using the Elastin Restorative Eye Complex. Great for the eye tissue. Their clinical studies have shown that there's improvement within 4 weeks of use. So this is huge for the tissue around the eyes because it's so different and thinner. So that's this little guy right here. And then I'm going to put the Elastin Restorative Skin Complex on because that's going to help plump up the dermis, give us some nice production of collagen and elastin fibers. And with pairing that with this treatment makes sense because we just exfoliated her skin, got all the dead skin off, and then we're going to put on some products that are going to help plump and tighten the skin. And we're going to put some on her neck as well. Just one pump goes a long way. And then we'll just finish up with some moisturizer and sunscreen. So people tend to come in every 4 weeks for this. Great way to brighten up and get the skin ready for any sort of event that you might have going on. So definitely come on in for a complimentary consultation if you haven't had one, and we can tell you more about this amazing treatment. No downtime, go right back to work if you need to, right back to your normal day. You can put makeup on, so it's pretty simple and easy. So come on in.